Assignment number 6. What type of online information about a job candidate should employment managers consider when screening candidates for an interview? Give 3 examples of information that might be found that should automatically disqualify a candidate from a job offer. First is a single error on your resume can automatically disqualify you from a job offer. Next is the things that you post on your social medias can automatically disqualify you from a job offer because some employers use to search your social media accounts and see what you post, and also your skills is not fit on the job description. Next is give 3 examples of online information that should increase a candidate chance of a job offer. As earlier as I said, the employers search for your social media accounts, the social media accounts of the candidates, and see what their post. Some employers found that what you post is they can see that when you post are creatives and it fits you in their job environment, like it is a chance that you can have the job. Also, being fit in the job description and having good information in your resume. Next question is Apple, Dell, and HP all receive low ratings for Greenpeace for their efforts on green computing. Choose one of these companies, visit its website, and do research to find out what if anything the company is doing to improve its green computing result. So according to the latest Greenpeace report, Apple is finding ways to feed its power-hungry data centers with renewable energy. So Apple is making some effort to improve its green computing result. Thank you.